Mom's coming. And by the way, it's also National Clean Your Room Day. So, how long does it take to clean your kitchen? Here's an under 30-minute checklist that works. Take 3 minutes to clear the clutter: car keys, sunglasses, old mail. 2 minutes to put food away. Get that box of cereal from breakfast back in your cabinet. Take a minute to clean your cleaning supplies. Get a clean towel and be sure and nuke your sponge. Can you load your dishwasher in under 3 minutes? But don't run it yet. If you don't have a dishwasher, at least get those dirty dishes in the sink. Take 5 minutes to toss expired items from your fridge and wipe the exterior down. Use 3 minutes to spray and scrub the countertops. Be sure and get those crumbs off the stovetop. Clean away any grease stains or splatters. A deeper clean is going to just take you more time. Quickly wipe down small appliances and countertop items for an all-over kitchen sparkle. Don't forget your microwave. Then sweep the floor. We all hate it, but we got to do it. And empty the trash to eliminate any odors and you're done. Ready for mom or potential home buyer in under 30 minutes.